Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to go over SPY, QQQ, IWM, ESNQ, gold, silver, and oil. So without further ado, just remember this is my opinion. I am not a financial advisor. You should do your own technical analysis. This is for educational purposes only. Without further ado, let's get into what I'm expecting for SPY tomorrow. What I'm expecting for these um, stocks tomorrow. First off, SPY. Um, broke this low here, so now we have a new range. It's at the 0.786 level. I'm expecting it to have fast buying pressure. If not, we might go down further and hit this low at 671.40. Tomorrow, I am looking to hit this low here at 675.79. If it does show support, you can play $683.69. Like I said, if that doesn't work, we're probably going to come down here to 671.20. Again, no real clear support besides this 0.786 level at 671. So, or sorry, at 676 even, we'll just say. Uh, Again, down here, we got a little bit more room to fall if we do break here. We'd probably hit this and then probably consolidate. So that's support again, resistance in case we do tread upwards. It's about 686 to 689, so somewhere in there. And that is SPY, QQQ. Again, same thing. I would be targeting this low here at $594.76. If we keep going down, the next real big target is at 580, or not even the next big target. The only target after that is 580.74 that you can target. Again, upside, same thing as SPY, about 612 to 616. Again, just depends on how close it gets. If we get closer, I'll probably update it on Sunday's video. But if we get closer to this, then I'm expecting a pullback into here. So yeah, target 594.76 for QQQ. Again, if it decides to push up, you can target here at 604.81, and then of course resistance is at 612 to 617. On to IWM. IWM is doing really good. We got this range here. It's at a support level, so if it closes above this candle here, I'm expecting it to push higher. So again, it really just depends. If it goes lower, you can target 255.05, and if it decides to go higher, I'll be targeting 261.62. Again, though, we did have a resistance, so it could be the second leg. I'm just watching that. Came up perfectly, hit this resistance, and then big selling pressure, big selling pressure. So yeah, target for me is 255.05. It goes down. If it decides to go up, 261.62, and then this high at 265.06. Next big one is 245.86, but again, you could play these. So 254.36 would I be targeting, then 253.97, then 251, and so forth until it gets to this big low here. Yes, same thing as SPY, so we're going to keep this pretty fast. Again, looking to see if it comes down to 6,756 because I base my levels on the stock rather than futures because futures is weird. So yeah, and then if it decides it wants to go higher, I'd be targeting right up here at about 6,930, about 6,930 even. All right, it's Thursday, so yeah, and we've already hit this low, but we could just wait as it's up a little bit. So we'll see. Target about 6,788 is what I'd be targeting. So right about here. Yeah, right about there. A couple points higher. Again, if we don't see support, uh, we could play to 6,736 and then 6,687 and then down here to about 6,587. So yeah, same thing as SPY really. NQ, gonna make this really quick. We can only really play to about 24,245 right around there, and then if we keep going down, 24,160 is what I'd be aiming for. Again, if we go up, Target 24,606 or 24,000 or 25,173, and then the low is we don't really have to worry about that. So yeah, you go up, just target a little bit lower than the high of the candle. Whatever is shown in the New York session is what I target. Gold is interesting because gold has had a pretty terrible rally or a terrible sell off. Again, we have a resistance hit perfectly. Did not close behind this candle though, so we'll just have to wait and see. I'd be targeting 4,670 even if it wants to go down further. However, it could go up because we're kind of stuck in between two ranges where we have the support here. We also have the resistance here. As you can see, resistance is in this area right here from 5,000 5,030 to about 5,170. And then we do also have the support right at where it kind of wicked up at about 4,687 to 4,768. So just going to be careful. If it goes up, I'd be targeting 4,820. If it goes down, target the low here at about 4,670. Silver, same thing. Silver got absolutely destroyed. Yeah, it doesn't really have any major support. I mean, we have it needs to see really fast buying pressure or it could potentially free fall. We're at the 0.786 level for the really big range. So it needs to shoot up pretty fast if we even want to see potential buying pressure or potential upside. Till then, just I would be targeting downside. Again, came up, closed from that candle in a range that we're looking for. So I'll be playing to about 63.9. If it does, by some miracle, want to go up, I'd target the high here, and then this high, etc. But I'm mostly looking for downward plays on silver. Again, the silver is very volatile, so I definitely want to be careful with that. Yeah, just be targeting these lows here after if we break this one again. And then finally, we got oil. Good old oil. Oil is in consolidation right now. Hasn't really broken above the candle. I mean, we've had wicks, but no close above it. So yeah, I'd be personally just be targeting highs and lows. So if it wants to go up, I target the high of 51 1.50, and if it goes lower, or if it wants to go lower, I target 494.30. I'm not expecting big moves from that. So yeah, those are my levels for the stocks I'm looking out for. If you got any other stocks you want my opinion on, leave them down in the comments below. And I hope to catch you guys in the next video. Peace, everyone.